The 2014 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: center armrest, fog lights, a day-night rear-view mirror, outside temperature gauge, Uconnect hands-free group, tilt steering wheel, tinted glass, black door handles, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.